vlog for today, samahan nyo kaming pumunta dito sa Field Museum sa Chicago. For our ticket naman, doon na kami bumila mismo and it cost $30 per person. Actually, beshies, meron kaming two option. It's either Field Museum or Shed Aquarium, and since sold out na sa Shed Aquarium, we decided to visit the Field Museum and no regrets at all na ito yung una namin pinuntahan kasi sobrang ganda talaga dito, beshies. As in, mag-e-enjoy ang mga adults and especially mga bata. Dito sa Field Museum, beshies, matatagpuan si Sue, ang most complete na T-Rex ever discovered. Grabe, diba? Originally built for the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition, Field Museum now holds over 40 million artifacts, from ancient Egyptian mummies to rare gemstones. Nakalimutan kong i-video, beshies, but yung favorite part ko talaga dito is nakita namin mismo yung room kung saan nag-discover yung mga scientists na mga fossils. And yes, grabe talaga. Sobrang amazing na museum na to. I really had so much fun. And very approachable pa yung mga guide dito, and tinuturuan talaga nila kami kung paano na-discover yung mga fossils, ano yung differences ng mga fur ng mga animals, and it's so amazing. With one of the world's largest natural history collections, the Field Museum is a must-visit for history and science lovers. Next time naman, beshies, yung Shed Aquarium yung pupuntahan natin. Hope you guys enjoyed my mini vlog today. Thank you for watching.